I'm sure you can see it from here, but just over there at the back is the old wall, and that's the wall of the leper colony. The leper colony certainly wasn't very luxurious by any account, and lepers, of course, were thought to be a plague from God, although now we know that it's a disease that can be cured. The World Health Organization has treatment for leprosy now, but originally there was no cure. And as we pan around here, we can see the very beautifully kept trees and things around here, the bushes, and then again that's the way up to the church, and then to there there's the almshouse over there as well. I'm going to zoom out, hopefully, if I can work out how to do it. There we go, zoom out. So that's a nice little show around. It's very overcast and grey today. It doesn't really give it its best view. You can see over here the daffs sitting on the hillside, and on the far corner over there, we'll go to in a minute, is what's called the Black Prince's Chantry, which has a great history as well. What we're going to do now is going to head down towards the Black Prince's Well, which is to say, when I first came here it was all overgrown, but they've sort of tied it up a bit now. So we're going to make our way down the little steps and out to the Black Prince's Well, which is this way. We're going out towards the car park bit over there.